There's something truly special about creating something with your own two hands, especially a piece of furniture that will grace your home for years to come. Imagine the satisfaction of putting your feet up on a coffee table you built yourself, a testament to your craftsmanship and creativity. In this guide, we'll walk you through building a beautiful rustic coffee table from scratch. Don't worry, it's easier than you think. This project is perfect for beginners who are eager to dive into the world of DIY. We'll use readily available materials and simple techniques to create a stunning piece that looks like it came straight from a farmhouse. You'll be amazed at what you can achieve with a little guidance and a lot of enthusiasm. So grab your tools, put on your DIY hat, and let's get started on this rewarding project. The end result will be a testament to your skills and a beautiful addition to your home. You'll also gain valuable skills and confidence to tackle even more ambitious projects in the future. Let's get building. Before we start sawing and hammering, let's gather everything we need. Having all your materials and tools ready will make the building process much smoother and enjoyable. We'll be using readily available lumber and basic tools you might already have in your garage. For this project, you'll need wood, 2 pieces of 2x10 lumber, 8 feet long, for the top and shelves, and 4 pieces of 4x4 lumber, 18 inches long, for the legs. Screws, 2-inch wood screws, and 3-inch wood screws. Wood glue for added strength and durability. Sandpaper, 80 grit, 120 grit, and 220 grit for a smooth finish. Wood stain, choose a color that matches your style. And polyurethane to protect the wood and give it a beautiful sheen. You'll also need these tools: a measuring tape. Accuracy is key. A pencil for marking your cuts. A circular saw or hand saw to cut the wood to size. A drill for pre-drilling holes and driving screws. A screwdriver to secure the screws. An electric sander, which will save you time and effort. Paintbrushes for applying the stain and polyurethane. Safety glasses to protect your eyes. And gloves, which are optional but recommended for protecting your hands. Now that we have our materials and tools assembled, let's move on to the exciting part: cutting and building. Remember, safety first. Always wear your safety glasses when operating power tools. Now that we have our materials and tools, let's start building. The first step is to measure and cut the wood to the correct dimensions. This is where accuracy is key. Double-check your measurements before making any cuts. Begin by measuring and marking the desired lengths for the tabletop, shelves, and legs on the lumber. For the tabletop, you can choose your desired length. 4 feet is a good starting point for a coffee table. For the shelves, subtract 1.5 inches from the length of the tabletop to account for the width of the legs. The legs should be 18 inches long each. Once you have marked all your cuts, carefully cut the wood using a circular saw or hand saw. If you're new to using a saw, ask a friend with experience to help you out or watch a tutorial video online. Remember, smooth and steady cuts are what we're aiming for. Take your time and don't rush this crucial step. After cutting, inspect each piece to ensure they are the correct size and have clean, straight edges. You can use sandpaper to smooth out any rough spots. With the cutting done, we're ready to move on to assembling the frame of our coffee table. With our cut pieces ready, we can now begin assembling the frame of our coffee table. This is where it all starts coming together. We'll create a sturdy base that will support the tabletop and shelves. Start by laying 2 of the 4x4 legs on a flat surface, parallel to each other, about 4 feet apart, or your desired tabletop length minus the width of the 2 legs. Place one of the shelf pieces on top of the legs, aligning it flush with the outer edge of one leg and leaving the 1.5-inch overhang on the other side. Use your drill to pre-drill holes through the shelf and into the legs. Apply wood glue to the ends of the shelf piece and secure it to the legs using 3-inch wood screws. Repeat this process for the other side, attaching the second shelf piece to the 2 legs. You should now have a U-shaped frame. Next, attach the remaining 2 legs to the other ends of the shelves, creating a rectangular frame. Finally, attach the tabletop to the frame using wood glue and 2-inch wood screws. Make sure the tabletop is centered on the frame and overhangs evenly on all sides. And there you have it. The basic structure of your coffee table is complete. Now that our coffee table is assembled, it's time to make it smooth and beautiful. Grab your sandpaper or power sander and let's start sanding down any rough edges and surfaces. It's important to sand in the direction of the wood grain to avoid scratches that could mar the finish. Once you're satisfied with the smoothness, wipe down the entire table with a damp cloth to remove any sawdust. Next, choose your finish, whether it be a stain, varnish, or paint. Apply it evenly, following the manufacturer's instructions for the best results. Allow it to dry completely. You might want to add a second coat for extra durability and richness in color. There you go! Your coffee table is not only sturdy, but now also has a professional, sleek finish. And now the moment we've all been waiting for. It's time to enjoy your handiwork. Place your new coffee table in its designated spot, perhaps in front of your sofa or in a cozy corner of your living room. It's not just a piece of furniture, but a testament to your skill and creativity. So go ahead, invite some friends over, show off your DIY prowess, and enjoy the comfort and style it adds to your home. Congratulations on a job well done.